The Extrude Brush is quite dissimilar from other brushes you may be used to, such as the Clay Brush, Build Up, or Rapid Brush, for example, because those brushes tend to brush through indentations or surface extrusions, and it will lay down a flattened strip, essentially. Let's look at the Rapid Brush. I'll press down a little bit harder. And then with the Extrude Brush. Before I create a stroke, I just want to mention at the top of the UI here in the toolbar, you have this list menu for different modes. You can have it extrude along the average normal, which is the default. Then you can have it extrude along the view direction, individual axes, vertex normal, or initial vertex normal. So let's try view direction. If I were to start on this side of the head here, even though the normal is pointing away from the camera, it will still extrude toward the camera. So as I brush and then turn, you can see how it's extruding toward the camera. You can have it face toward a specific axis. For example, let's try the X. There may be a draw mode like the stamp or movable stamp draw mode. Let's try the movable stamp and a sci-fi brush of some type. Let's try something like that. So you can see this is always facing down that axis, no matter how you rotate about the model. Let me go back to our regular brush. And you may notice with different brush alphas, the resulting brush behavior is much different from one brush alpha to the other. Whereas some of the others, like the Clay Brush, because of the flattening effect, it seems like no matter what brush you use, you'll get a similar result. But with the Extrude Brush, it's very different. So let me use a soft fall off. Before I do, I need to change my direction to average normal. And as I brush, it extrudes almost equally along the surface. This allows the user to build the surface up without having to degrade surface details. So that's a quick look at using the Extrude Brush in surface mode. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.